first of all, I have to start with repellent spray and then the sunscreen. I just can't do it without. Ah, no. Okay. Repellent is gone. Any garden rope will work.
Try one more time. Just smell the borax. You don't smell the borax, but that's the thing. Did it work? I didn't check. I guess so.
Okay, I like it like this. I like it like that. Okay. Perfect. So I figured out if you put it lower, it's holding it better in place. Let's see. Okay, so basically what happened by moving it lower, it created that better ponytail look. Plus it's gonna be safer in the wind. The wind is not gonna blow it down. Let me show it to you from the other side. Look how cute. How cute, how cute. And let's do another one. Here's another one I want to do today. It took over this bench. It grew so fast. In the last few months we've been having so much rain here. So let's see what we do with this one. I'm just gonna trim this one down halfway. And it's definitely cute the way it is. I want to refresh it just a little bit. So we can actually use this bench sometimes. Wants a haircut. She just asked me for a haircut, so I have to respect the wish. That's it. Ah, I think she's happy. She looks younger with a shorter haircut, don't you think? That's it. Now everybody's happy. Whoever's gonna sit on this bench on the plant. Let's see what we got. Let's go closer and see what we got. It was a good haircut. And there she is. But yeah, there she is from every angle. Next I need to take care of this grapevine. It kind of grows like crazy right now. I didn't know I could grow these grapevines in South Florida, but well, I guess why not. I hope I'm gonna get some grapes. Here's the fake grape that came from the store. There she is. But that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the I hope you enjoy my haircut, grass and ponytail, and see you next time. Ciao.
At least I have a little wind in here. I didn't mean to splash all over the camera, but
The repellent is gone. They are going to kill me. I know. I have to. I must have this. There's no way I can live with this repellent spray. I'm gonna be in huge trouble today. So hey guys, since we're here, I just want to show you some cool stuff I'm learning with using for filming my stuff. This is what I have my phone installed on my camera. This cute thing is so practical. Of course, other YouTubers recommended, and I did got it, and I'm very happy. Thank you for whoever recommended to me. I forgot, but basically it's the octopus stand, I believe it's called, and you can adjust it. You can attach it to whatever you want. It's just a flexible thing, and you can stand it on the table, or you can use it as a selfie stick, or you can connect it just like you saw me, bend it, twist it, you name it. Really cool. I thought it might come useful to you too.